Buying a couch online feels a little like trust falling in the dark. Big box, big money, big expectations. The GOSUHI 108-inch U-shaped modular sectional somehow turns that leap of faith into a soft landing, and then invites everyone else in the room to sit down too. This sofa makes its intentions clear right away. It is wide, deep, and built for staying put. At 108 inches long, it stretches close to 9 feet and fills a living room without swallowing it. The U-shaped design naturally pulls people together, whether that's family movie night, friends piled in with snacks, or one person sprawled out with no plans to move for a while. The 25-inch deep seats lean into that cloud couch promise, with thick double-layer cushions that don't feel shy about their job. These cushions are heavy, soft, and unapologetically plush. There's a quiet confidence in the structure. Underneath the softness sits a sturdy steel frame paired with FSC-certified wood in the armrests. That mix of metal and wood gives the sofa a grounded feel, not wobbly, not flimsy, and definitely not the kind that creaks every time someone shifts their weight. Once assembled, it feels solid enough to handle daily life, kids climbing, guests dropping in, and the general chaos that happens in real homes. The support is balanced well enough to encourage decent posture without turning comfort into a lecture for the lower back. The fabric deserves its own moment. GOSUHI uses a linen-style material that looks light and elegant, but behaves like it knows better than to be precious. It resists dirt, handles wear, and cleans up easily. Even better, the covers are removable and machine washable, which quietly solves about half of life's problems. The texture adds a soft, relaxed look that fits right into boho spaces, modern apartments, or rooms still figuring out what they want to be. Color options are generous, and fabric samples are available, which takes a lot of stress out of matching a space that already exists. Assembly is part of the deal, and it's not the horror story people fear. The sofa arrives in 2 boxes, sometimes on different days, which can be annoying but also makes the process less overwhelming. Instructions, tools, and a video guide are included. Assembly times vary, but 2 to 4 hours is realistic, even solo. A second person helps, but it's not mandatory. Power tools speed things up. The cushions arrive compressed, looking a little flat and unimpressive at first. A bit of patience goes a long way here. Proper fluffing and some enthusiastic padding help, and within 72 hours, the sofa settles into its full, inviting shape. Once it does, the transformation is noticeable. Wrinkles relax, cushions rise. The couch goes from, "Is this it?" to "Okay, this works." It's larger than many expect, yet still friendly to smaller apartments when paired with an 8x10 rug. There is one honest trade-off. When placed flush against a wall, taller users may bump their heads. Comfort, it turns out, has a sense of humor. Customer support quietly reinforces the experience. When shipping issues happen, responses are fast and proactive. Problems are treated like problems worth solving, not like inconveniences to ignore. This sectional doesn't try to reinvent the couch. It just does the basics very well: space, comfort, structure, and fabric that forgives. It feels like a lucky find, the kind people are oddly proud of discovering, and even happier to sit on every single day.